Fancy cars. Except for the black door. And the bumper. And the fender's still half plastic dip. And there's no fender liner. And the alignment on the hood's off. And the headlights are nasty. Fancy cars.
One of them's nasty, the other one's kind of so-so.
Well, that one was replaced. The other one, not so replaced.
It's a little humid.
It is a little bit humid.
Humidity?
Just take the whole thing. Oh, you don't have to go back and forth. I don't give a shit. Yeah, just take the whole thing. It's easier that way. Okie doke. So, I am installing coilovers today on the IS300. And yes, it does not run properly still. And no, I do not give a shit. It is getting coilovers. You laughing? Well, someone's gonna be like, well, it doesn't run.
Like so?
Bitch, I got coilovers and I wanted to have a low car. Because
you can.
Because I want a low car. That's all there is to it. Oh yeah, we got Tesla wheels. No one saw the Tesla wheels. Nah.
Sound rings in hopes to, make it sound any much better than I can.
More good, yeah.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, more good. Alright, you can hear a lawnmower in the background, I'm sure, but I got the wheel off. I'm going to try to avoid taking off the upper ball joint and sliding the strut housing out and down. I don't necessarily know if that was the easier way than dropping a ball joint, but I disconnected the headlight leveling system. I took off the actual bracket that holds the lower part of the strut, and that made it easier. And it just, I mean, you saw it just kind of dropped and came this way. So I'm gonna see if I can do the same thing with the coilover, going up and putting that bracket back in at the same time. But sway bar removed, or anti-sway bar, and then the anti-sway bar bracket, and then that strut tower bracket, and it all came off. Oh yeah, and I did get the Megan coilovers, so I don't know if I explained that part already.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and I'm not gonna show you how to do the driver's side because it's gonna be like the same as the passenger. Alright, well, I got the front done, but I'm not showing you the front yet. So I'm gonna start the rear now. Steven's working on S2K shit. Because he's gangster like that. Gangster. Okay, don't forget to pull everything out of the trunk that you need to.
Because you're gonna have to pull everything out of the trunk.
Yeah.
Because you gotta get to
That.
right there.
And that.
So yeah, you have to basically pull the side pieces off.
That's fine. That's not that hard.
Yeah.
Good. Trunk part's out. Okay, so I may have found a trick to get the rear off without unbolting all kinds of crazy amount of shit. But I can't promise anything. That's a way to do that. All I did was undo, get this here for my camera day, undo that bolt, undo the top bolts, get it this far forward as much as you can, lift it up, stick a screwdriver through the strut, and then keep lifting it with a pry bar and it pops out. And that is it finished. When I get in alignment, I'm gonna have them do some more camber though, because that's a really close. Too close. And luckily I don't have to roll the rear fenders, so they're good right now.